So welcome everyone to my new channel and my first review. And I'm Sam and this is Tech On Do. Alright, and the first review will be, or the first look at, is going to be this. This is the MX Anywhere 3 for Mac computers. So it's a mouse. I'll get my trusted knife out, which I'll be reviewing knives as well on this channel. And let's have a little open. Now this product has been around for a couple of years, and let's see if it still stacks up for today. So it does work on iPad as well and your laptops and computers. And there's the back, and there it specifies it there. It's got customizable workflow as well, so cool. Let's take a look. First looks, a little bit dusty. What do you think? Looks nice. It is quite streamlined. Alright, let's see what's in the box. You have your USB cable, which this is, yes, USB-C charging, which is right there. So USB-C to USB-C. Nothing else in there. Your instructions. Yeah, anyway, we don't have to go through that. Okay, so let's take a look at the mouse. So it is quite streamlined. It's quite small actually. If you compare it to the other mouse that Apple put out, which is disgusting actually. I really hate these things, but it is what it is. That's the one that Apple makes, and this is a size comparison. Alright, so if we wanted to weigh these, the Apple one is 93.35. Stop shaking. And the Logitech is 95.1. Alright, so to measure these two to see which one's longer, we'll put it on top there. Just over 11 centimeters. Just 11.5 centimeters is the Apple one, and the Logitech is 10 centimeters. So it feels really nice in the hand. It feels comfortable. You got silicone sides for grip. You have a metal button, and it just spins smoothly. I don't know if you can hear that. And you have modes button right here. So if you click that, it turns that into like a ratchet spinner. So it's got like cogs on it, and you can hear you can feel the the grip on it. And if you click it, then it's just free spinning. It's pretty cool. Actually, I like the ratchet one a lot better. They say that it works on a lot of surfaces. Let's just take this off. So it works a lot of surfaces, even glass. They say it works on glass too, so that's pretty cool. So obviously there's your on and off for your laser. You've got your 4 rubber feet, or they're not rubber, like a plastic feet. Yeah, like rubbery plastic. Not sure what they're made out of. But I don't think they should be grippy anyway, because it's a mouse, you should be moving it around. But yeah, so it's probably like a plastic, but it does feel rubberish. Anyway, so there it is. So now it's looking for, I don't know if you can see that. Now it's looking for your computer. So all the buttons are customizable, and you can hold down the wheel as well. And when you hold it down and keep it down and move it, you can actually move, say you're working on a 3D model on some software, and you want to see around it, then you can hold the wheel down and move it around. And now these 2 buttons on the back here, again, they're customizable, and you could customize it for whatever you want. But at the moment, I think it's set to, if you click one of the buttons, hold it down and move the wheel, you can actually scroll sideways, and vice versa for the back one. So they're both customizable. You can go back and forwards, or you can undo and redo. and I think there's other things you can do with it as well. But there is on the software, there's a lot of things that you can do, a lot of things that you can change this to, so specifically suits you and your needs. So you can set it up as well as a flow. So what that means is you can have a Mac computer and your MacBook Pro, so you can flow to either one of those. So you do have a lot of options to assign the buttons to whatever you want. So that's our first look at this MX Anywhere 3 for Mac. Nicely designed. It fits really nicely in the hand. I like that form factor. I like that the wheel is metal, and yeah, it's actually metal. So good on you, Logitech. You've done a really good job with this. And would I recommend it? Absolutely. It's great. It does so many things, so many more things than this. This is useless. So this is going to overtake it. Get away. So if you are interested in purchasing one of these, links will be in the description. Head down, click on the link, have a read about it, and yeah, and see what you think. But yeah, this is really worth it for today as well. Even though it's 2 years old, I'd still recommend it. So that's about it for the first look at the MX Anywhere 3 and first video that I've uploaded on this channel. So I hope you guys all got some benefit out of it, and if you wouldn't mind to subscribe and to like and do all those wonderful things, and hit the notification bell as well to let you know for my next upload, because my next one is a beauty. It's for traveling, something that you need when you travel. So thanks everyone for coming, and thank you if you're still there, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.